Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to perform offsides in Rush. In the beginning, let's go to Training Hub and go to Offsides in Rush. When no defenders are behind the dotted line, it represents the offside line. If a player has not crossed the offside line when a pass is made, they are not offside. The player was not offside when the passer made contact with the ball, so it's a legal pass. Now it's illegal pass. And this is Offside. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.